I'm Martina from Cocokind. Let's make a salad. The salad we're going to make today is inspired by our very own sea kale clay mask. This mask uses sea silt, or glacial oceanic clay, bentonite clay, and kaolin clay to draw out impurities, get rid of excess sebum and oil, and purify the skin. It also features a bunch of ingredients that you can find in your kitchen and even cook with, which is what we're going to do today. Our sea kale clay mask is a collaboration between Cocokind and Jeannette Ogden of Shut the Kale Up. So of course, we had to use kale. Our mask uses blue sea kale extract, which helps soothe the skin and support collagen synthesis. Our mask also uses cucumber seed powder to gently exfoliate and clarify the skin. Fatty acid-rich avocado oil helps nourish and moisturize. In this recipe, we're going to use both avocado and avocado oil. Now, time to make the dressing. We use citric acid to maintain the pH of our sea kale clay mask, so we're going to use lemon juice in our salad. Then we're going to season this to taste with some sea salt. Now we'll toss it all together, and I'm going to wash this mask off.